Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Instagram accounts private on app step by step. First, go to Instagram app on your phone. Here you are seeing the home screen. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Tap on the icon with three lines in the upper right. Then tap on the settings option. Scroll down, then tap on logout button. Thus, the process of logging out from your password on Instagram app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.